Namaste. The extreme desire for sexual union, or the search of Shakti for her Shiva. Those who've gone deep into the way things are and have been able to peel off layers and layers and layers of what is called Maya may have noticed that there are basically just two things, Shiva and Shakti. Shiva is consciousness and Shakti is energy. That's all there is to it, Shiva and Shakti. And what is the strongest feeling that a human being has other than hunger? When we are hungry, of course, the need to eat, the feeling of hunger is extreme. But beyond that, or other than that, it's the desire for sexual union. This desire for sexual union is basically Shakti looking for her Shiva. What happens in sexual union? There is a certain change in how we perceive things, in how we are, in the way we exist. And this is Shakti looking for her Shiva, and through this, life also happens. The problem with this the problem with this energy is, it's a very, very strong energy, and it's not something that most people are capable of channeling. So when desire strikes, especially when we are young, when desire strikes, we need an outlet. We need to find ways to release this energy. Look at this, release this energy. The energy is inside us, it has built up inside us. We need to release this energy. So we look for a partner, or sometimes even masturbation or pornography or whatever. There are many ways of doing this. And then what happens? Within a few minutes, the pleasure peaks, the sense peaks, and then it drops off. Sometimes the adults, the grown-ups are also not able to control themselves when desire forces itself, or when desire makes itself felt. And then when this happens, they might end up doing things that they would otherwise have not done. But here they're doing it because they're surprised by this movement of energy, this experience of desire. And so they want some kind of resolution to this. The search of Shakti for her Shiva is part of almost everything that is there around us, especially in life. And Shakti wills us to do things, to be in a way that she can move towards her Shiva. Most other life forms do not have the luxury that is available to us as human beings. In human beings, there is the possibility where Shakti is allowed to move little by little, and sometimes even more than that, up the Sushumna towards her Shiva. And we can aid in that consciously by first channeling this energy, conserving this energy, and giving it a way to move up the Sushumna. This is not something most other life forms can do, but human beings can do this. And when a human being succeeds in doing this, he has helped Shakti reach her Shiva. So one powerful practice that one can try is, for example, when you're experiencing desire, when you're experiencing sexual desire, lie prone in bed, lie on your back, and feel as if the consciousness is moving down the front towards the genitals, towards the Mooladhara, and from here, this consciousness, this awareness is getting hold of Shakti at the Mooladhara and moving up with her, up along the spine. And then if you continue doing this continuous movement of energy from the Sahasrara, from the crown chakra to the Muladhara, the base chakra, and from the base chakra up the spine. Remember, the energy must move up the spine for Shakti to access different levels of Chetna until she reaches the Sahasrara, which is supposed to be the place where Shiva is available or accessed, or which is the home of Shiva. The Sahasrara, the Shiva consciousness, where you can experience the oneness with this entire universe. Wish you good luck in your search, in your search of your Shakti for her Shiva. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.